you have to learn that you have to share all of that information with everybody. And we have to have everybody at the table for the solutions to work.
So today's event is really about bringing together researchers from USF, people from the community, people from Moffitt, to really begin a discussion point about how we can all come together to accomplish more in the way of research together and bringing that information back to the community about really connecting people around this really wonderful project called We Care.
We understand now why people may not taking the medication appropriately. We now understand why, because we have listened, we have heard their stories, we have took time to let them know that we care.
It's very important that We Care accomplish the goal of getting more people involved so we can get more genetic patterns into the research so we can more effectively treat people in the future.